Hello, in front of me I've got MG ZS. In this video I'll show you all safety features installed in this car. Let's start with the driver's doors. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can enable child lock for windows and quickly lock or unlock the doors. On the steering wheel we can find MG Pilot button thanks to which we can enable speed limiter, cruise control and intelligent cruise assist. Also we can change distance from the following car via this button. On the instrument cluster, we can find road sign assistant and assistant menu. In the center of the car, we can find parking brake and electric transmission with start-stop feature. Most safety features are located on the screen display. In order to achieve them, let's go to vehicle settings, and here you can set up welcome lights, follow me home lights, change car response for Find My Car. Also, you can enable auto main beam. In MG Pilot, you can enable intelligent overspeed alert, front collision assist, lane departure assist, rear driving assist, blind spot detection, lane change assist, rear cross traffic alert, door opening warning, rearward collision warning, driver fatigue monitoring. In driving, you can enable auto hold, hill descent control, you can disable traction control, change energy regeneration, and enable or disable passenger airbag. The car is also equipped with 360 camera, navigation and wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. Apart from digital stuff, we can find 6 airbags and also 2 ISOFIX latches on outer seats. Via app on your smartphone, you can also locate your car if it's lost. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.